desperation, hunger, no hope, no officials in sight, no end in sight can bring out the worst in people.
Yo, see there? My virgin sister got down there. Him did forget what he never end up go. Down at St. Elizabeth there. Go and donate some stuff for them pack. Food stuff. And then just tell me say, yo, one of the boy come there, want more than one, and go say one bag not enough. So them give him 2 bags, him say him still want more than that. Them not give them more because them say it have to share. The man go away and come back with a bag of man. You know, I'm tell them say a 5 bag him want. Man, them come back, come hold them up at gunpoint and empty everything out of the vehicle and rob them of them phone, them purse, everything. I just say, yo, look there.
This is not unique to the people them of St. Elizabeth that you are seeing and hearing reports of robbing, the A trucks coming in. The same way so them do it on 80. But 80 is a war zone. Jamaica is not a war zone, but it look like a war zone. You would have think people would have been banding together and sharing the rations with each other and helping each other rebuild. That is the only way that we can rebuild, you know. That's the only way we're not going to be able to rebuild and come back to any form of normalcy, is to work together down in St. Elizabeth. You're hearing reports of people actually holding up people that is coming down there to help the people them at gunpoint and take away everything where them have. It's like a wild, wild west down there. It's like a wild, wild west down there. Complete breakdown of society, lawlessness in St. Elizabeth. That's what we're hearing. And what is the government going to do about this? They need military presence on the ground because it's like a war zone. And how much soldier we have up our camp there? It look like we probably don't have enough. We need to see more military presence in Jamaica. And if we not go down there, go donate anything, we need to coordinate with the military or the police before we go down there, go lose on the 3 points. It's desperation time. And you see, those who have them tool, them go secure as much food as them can for themselves because them don't know how long this is going to last. So it's like dog eat dog after the destruction. Jaja. I was thinking that this would be like a reset for Jamaica morality as far as coming together and helping each other. But we are seeing gradually the worst in mankind, where hoarding of food is rampant and some people are getting first and third shares from the aid trucks because them are hoard. The hope is that the aid truck is going to be coming in to the area on a daily basis so the people them can have a meal, because a lot of people is going hungry, and those who are hoarding going to be starting to sell to those in need. So it's like a dog eat dog, the fittest of the fittest shall survive. Jaja.
The mud. The stench, the desolation.
I can just see how the place look better. Eh? I don't even want to give you a conversation right now, dog. Just look on the place.
Imagine the force that did this.
Good afternoon, my name is Tiffany McDonald. I live in Vineyard, my house blow down, I don't live anywhere. People yard me catch me, I have a 5-year-old, I need help. Help a Black River, me come and look food.
I'm heartbroken when I came to Black River on the bridge. I burst out in tears, cried straight to the hospital.
Stories of desperation, but also of resilience.
And you all this, we don't live no way. We hungry, we are starved.
So many people right now are suffering. There is a desperate need for water and food and supplies. Helicopters need to land here. Vehicles need to find their way in here through the compromised and destroyed roadways in the mountains. In the mountains, all the vegetation is gone. It is bare. It is town after town that is completely decimated by a mix of 185 mile an hour winds and rushing water and rain 2 to 3 feet. And we walk down the center of what used to be a bustling community and is now completely in ruin. These people without a home, many people in shelters, and I have to ask you, I'm gonna come over and talk to you guys. Is everyone okay? As good as possible?
Yeah, not too bad. Really, what's up?
I'm Robert Ray with Fox Weather.
Yes.
Are you okay right now?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Where are you gonna stay?
No, well, this was a business place, but the sea we cut the wall and empty out everything on the land.
What will you do now?
Now I'm just here waiting for the person, the owner, to come. Yeah.
And all these folks in this town that was once alive, right?
Yeah.
You guys will make a comeback at some
it's
point.
Hard. It's hard. Need some help.
Big time.
Big time, yeah.
And that's
Big help.
we're trying to make the world understand that aid needs to come in.
Yes.
And I know the official